March. Pretty fast, I guess. Just like days turning into months, then year, and voila, pandemic just had its first anniversary, kids. Where to begin? I sure was pretty busy with my assignments in the beginning, but then I came across this very bizarre video of me where I was doing face exercise because I thought that my face was too big, and yes, everyone is insecure. And well, I don't know, I just found it really funny, so I felt like I should just share it, like in a time lapse because that made it more worse. March was the time when I visited college very often, mainly because of the assignments, but even the fact of visiting college excited me in a way that I never felt in 19 years of my life. Okay, so while I was scrolling down my camera dump, I found that I was so focused, be it exercising or eating healthy or even motivating myself by taking like this dramatic pictures of Monica Keller. Like, even like this stupid random bills that I took screenshot of, like, was so raw me. So here's a little update that so here's a little update so here's a little update on my so here's a little update for my new current hairstyle. So while I was editing this video, I realized that I am such an annoying perfectionist that I even hate to say it, but I would never ever edit or upload a video unless I take like 100 different shots of me repeating like the same line over and over. Like, this is the reason why I have done so many video ideas and projects, because I thought like they were imperfect. Now you can count how many times I said so in this video, and you can just admit yourself in a nearby hospital. Oh yeah. So you see, my life is no enhanced or like a wonderland. There are days when I stare at ceiling for hours or enjoy the flowing of time, look at the dust in these Chinese figurines, or stare at the aesthetically pleasing frames on my house, the wind that flows. And sometimes there are days that I do not have any idea, but there are also days when I remember things like this one when Sang took me on a little Domino's date after we submitted our assignments. So yeah, that was fun, cool. I enjoy having somebody's company with me, like having someone who I can share with. So here's that part of my life. कार्यक्रम अब समाप्त भयो पैसा चाहिँ नबिर्सिनुहोस् खाइसकेर टेबलमा. He's like this little sunshine in my pocket, which I carry with me and who makes me laugh. Not like every time, because oh, and also I have my little niece, like not my niece, but like niece. So yeah, I like spending time with her, watching her grow. Definitely not like spending the whole day with her because kids are headaches sometimes, but yeah, like seeing her grow from an infant to this like this much, I guess. So that's pretty cool. And watching her two tiny teeth speaking through her smile, and imitating her dad walk while talking. So, like the small moments, they are really precious, I guess. It would not be me if I don't end this video without complaining, because that's not Anushka, I guess. Here's a little episode of me complaining about my neighbors who make her kid poop in a land right in front of my house, and no matter how many times we complain, they are never gonna listen. So here's a video about that. And another one is that me rambling about the rice cooker not working for over an hour. So enjoy. I guess March and all was fast, but also slow, that I remembered so many details and precious moments of it. This video is a little chaos, and everything in it is like a maze, not a single dot connecting the other. But I guess this is how life is. Like, it's a big chaotic mess, but with splashes of like the small moments that make us happy. And this is how we live our lives. So I guess that is all I have for you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed my very foolish storytelling, which I'm not at all good at, but I tried my best to put together the messiness of my life into a vlog. So yeah, that's all. See you guys next week. Bye bye.